Hello everyone and welcome to our bilingual story time today with the Putnam County District Library. Hola a todos y bienvenidos a nuestra hora de cuentos bilingüe con la Putnam County District Library. Today we are going to be learning about this flower. Hoy vamos a aprender algo sobre esta flor. ¿Qué flor es? What flower is this? ¿Alguien sabe? Does anyone know? It's a daffodil. Es un narciso. Can you guys say daffodil? How about narciso? Can you say narciso? El narciso amarillo. The yellow daffodil. El narciso. Okay, we are going to begin with a rhyme. Vamos a comenzar con una rima sobre un narciso amarillo, a yellow daffodil. It goes like this. Yellow, yellow daffodil dancing in the sun. Oh, yellow, yellow daffodil, you tell me spring has come. I can hear a bluebird sing and hear a robin call. But yellow, yellow daffodil, I love you most of all. Should we try it together? ¿La intentamos juntos? Una vez, sí. Let's try it one time. Yellow, yellow daffodil, dancing in the sun. Can you dance like a daffodil? Dancing in the sun. Woo woo. Oh, yellow, yellow daffodil, you tell me spring has come. I can hear a bluebird sing and hear a robin call. But yellow, yellow daffodil, I love you most of all. Okay, in Spanish, en español, it goes like this. Va así. En español va así. El narciso amarillo, bailando en el sol. Me informas que ya viene la primavera. Puedo oír el azulejo cantando y la llamada del petirrojo, pero el narciso amarillo te quiero lo más de todo. El narciso amarillo, what does that mean? We already learned, right, that it means daffodil. It means daffodil. Bailando en el sol, dancing in the sun. Me informas que ya viene la primavera. You let me know that spring is already on its way. Puedo oír el azulejo cantando. I can hear, puedo oír, el azulejo is the bluebird, cantando, singing, y la llamada and the call del petirrojo, of the robin. But, el narciso amarillo, te quiero lo más de todo. But yellow daffodil, I love you most of all. Pretty nice little rhyme, right? Okay, you guys are now going to learn how to make one of these narcisos amarillos. All right, you're going to learn how to make a yellow daffodil. I'm going to show you. So if you guys haven't been to the library to pick up your craft kit to make these, you can head there and grab one, and then you can watch this video again and learn how to make one. Okay, let's get started. Que comenzamos. Ustedes pueden ir a la biblioteca para su craft kit, su kit de manualidad, para crear este narciso amarillo. Okay, aquí vamos. Here we go. Okay, we're going to begin with our little bags from the library that have our goodies in them. Vamos a comenzar con nuestra bolsita desde la biblioteca con las cositas para crear la manualidad. Aquí tenemos, here we have, 2 hojas de papel de amarillo y como anaranjado. Tengo una más, hay una extra. Y también tenemos nuestras muffin papers. Let me pull that. Y we also have 2 popsicle sticks. Right? 2 piezas de madera. Okay, eso es todo. That is all. Cupcake liners, that's what it's called. Tenemos cupcake liners, right? De amarillo y de blanco. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is draw the shape of the flower on our piece of paper. So you can choose. Ustedes pueden escoger cuál página, cuál hoja que quieran comenzar. Voy a comenzar con esta hoja. Okay, I'm going to start with this sheet. So we are just going to draw, vamos a dibujar la flor. Okay, we're going to draw the shape of the flower on our sheet of paper. What you can do, like I did here, what you can do is trace your circle. Ustedes pueden usar esta cosita para hacer un círculo, para saber como el tamaño, to know the size. Okay, so voy a hacer un círculo así para saber mi tamaño de flor. Okay. Y ahora dibujo mi flor. Now I'm going to draw my flower. No tiene que ser perfecto. Así es. There it is. Okay, después vamos a cortar la flor de la hoja. We're going to cut the flower from the sheet. Ahí está. Ok, aquí tenemos nuestra flor. Ahora, now we are going to glue this to this. So here I have my trusty glue stick. There we go. No necesita mucho, it doesn't take very much. And then I'm going to stick my paper onto my flower. Así es. If your flower is a little big, like mine, your center, you can go like this and store it like this for a little while, and it will kind of open back up and be smaller. Okay? Now, you can, ustedes pueden dibujar, perdón, ustedes pueden dibujar como una línea, así. You guys can draw a line like this to make kind of a frame for your flower, or you can leave it like this, sin línea, como ustedes quieran. Okay, then we are going to use a green marker, un marcador verde, to make our stem. Okay, I'm going to close up my glue stick. Cerramos esto so I don't make a mess. So we're going to color our popsicle stick so that it is green. Okay, we're going to color. Vamos a colorear esto. Oop, I colored my table. Después, after, with our glue stick, just a little bit of glue narcisito. Okay, so you can do that with your other sheet and your other cupcake liner to make 2, right? Okay, now that we've learned how to make our narciso amarillo, we have one more rhyme for the day. It goes like this. Here I have my little house. Can you see my little house? What do you see on the house? ¿Qué hay en la casa? Hay una puerta, right? There's a door. Hay ventanas. There are windows. And here is un jardín, the garden, or like the grassy area. They usually call it a jardín in Espanol when you talk about somebody's yard, el jardín. Okay, so here we go. Here's another rhyme. One little daffodil had nothing much to do. Let me put him on the house here. See our one little daffodil? He's so small. One little daffodil had nothing much to do. Out popped another one, and then there were 2. 2 little daffodils were smiling at a bee. Out popped another one, and then there were 3. 3 little daffodils were growing by the door. Out popped another one, and then there were 4. 4 little daffodils were glad to be alive. Out popped another one, and then there were 5, right? 5 little daffodils. Look at that. 5 little daffodils were wearing golden crowns. They danced in the breeze in green satin gowns. Okay, let's learn it in Spanish. Okay, aquí vamos. Here we go. En español, la rima va así. In Spanish, the rhyme goes like this. Un narcisito no tiene nada que hacer. Salió otro y de repente eran 2. 2 narcisitos sonrían a una abeja. They smiled at a bee. Salió otro y de repente eran 3. 3 narcisitos crecían por la puerta. Aquí está la puerta, ¿no? Salió otro y de repente eran 4. Y son 4 ahora. 4 narcisitos eran felices de estar vivos. Salió otro y de repente eran 5. 5 narcisitos llevaban coronas doradas. Bailaban en la brisa con vestidos verdes satines. Okay, so we know already that narcisito is like little daffodil, right? Narciso, narcisito. Narcisito is little daffodil. So un narcisito no tiene nada que hacer. He had nothing to do. Salió otro y de repente eran, ¿cuánto? How many are there now? Eran 1, there was 1, y ahora eran 2. Then there were 2. 2 narcisitos sonrían a una abeja. They smiled at a bee. Salió otro. Out came another one. Y de repente eran 3, right? There were 3. So 3 narcisitos crecían por la puerta. 3 little daffodils grew by the door. Crecían por la puerta. ¿Dónde está la puerta? Where is the door? Right? We found that before. So then there were 3 growing by the door. Salió otro. Out came another one. Y de repente eran 4. Then there were 4. 4 narcisitos eran felices de estar vivos. 4 little daffodils were happy to be alive. Do you remember that from the version we just learned in English? Right? It's the same. Salió otro y de repente eran 5. Then there were 5. 1 came out and then there were 5. 5 narcisitos llevaban coronas doradas. They wore golden crowns. Llevaban coronas doradas. Right? Like we talked about. Bailaban en la brisa. They danced in the breeze con vestidos verdes satines. With green satin dresses. Vestidos is dress, verde is green, and satin is satin. So, vestidos verdes satines. Actually, dresses, green satin dresses. Okay, that is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Eso es todo para hoy. Gracias por mirar. Adiós, mis amigos. Goodbye, my friends.